Good morning, student. This is class 12 math, and today's thought is function is the heart of mathematics, because in math there is a lot of function like the inverse function, logarithmic function, and exponential function. So you can say that function is the heart of mathematics. Now today's date is this is 5th of July 2021. This is miscellaneous chapter 5 and it is question number 17. This is if x is equal to a cos t plus t sin t and y is equal to a sin t minus t cos t, find d2y upon dx2. This is the parametric equation. It is a parametric form. So firstly you need to find out the value of dx upon dt and dy upon dt. After that you will find out the value of dy upon dx. So here given x is equal to a cos t plus t sin t and y is equal to a sin t minus t cos t. Now differentiating equation first and second with respect to t, you will get differentiating equation first and second with respect to t, we get dx upon dt is equal to, this is the constant term, it is a d by dt of cos t plus d by dt of t sin t and dy upon dt is equal to, a is the constant term, this is d by dt of sin t minus d by dt of t cos t. Here student you will see that dx upon dt is equal to a, you know that d by dx of cos x gives you minus sin x. Therefore d by dt of cos t gives you minus sin t plus, here the second term is the multiplication of two terms. So it is using the formula first function into d by dx of second plus second function into d by dx of first. It is taking out t as a first function. Therefore it is first function into d by dt of second function plus second function means sin t into d by dt of t. Similarly, dy upon dt is equal to, this is d by dt of sin t gives you cos t minus d by dt of t cos t gives you first function into d by dt of cos t plus, here you have to take a brackets because there is a negative sign, so there is a little bit problem while changing the sign of the terms. This is first function into d by dx of second plus second function into d by dt of first. Now dx upon dt is equal to a. This is minus sin t plus t into d by dt of sin t gives you cos t. d by dt of sin t gives you cos t plus sin t into d by dt of t gives you 1, and dy upon dt is equal to, this is a cos t minus t cos t into d by dt of cos t gives you minus sin t plus cos t into 1 plus cos t into 1. Here the value of dx upon dt is equal to minus sin t plus sin t. Cancel each other. This is all equal to minus 80 cos t. This is this is plus 80 cos t, a into t cos t, and dy upon dt is equal to, this is equal to a cos t minus minus plus plus t sin t minus cos t. This is all equal to cos t cancel out, and this one is equal to a t sin t, a t sin t. Now you need to find out the value of dy upon dx. Now you need to find out the value of dy upon dx. Now the value of dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. This is all equal to dy upon dt is equal to 80 sin t. This is 80 sin t. 80 sin t, and dx upon dt gives you 80 cos t. 80 cos t, 80 is cancel out. This is sin t upon cos t gives you tan t. Now you need to find out the value of d2y upon dx2. So the student, you have again differentiate equation third with respect to x. Before we starting the differentiation, one thing is more, this type of a question is asked in the IIT and JEE examination. This is the competitive, this question is for the competitive exam also. So student, here you see that now you need to differentiate equation third, differentiating equation third with respect to with respect to x, we get what we get. Why we have to differentiate with respect to x? Because of we need to find out the value of d2y upon dx2. So the student, this is d by dx of dy upon dx is all equal to this is r equal to, it is d by dx of tan t. This is d2y upon dx2 tan t gives you sec square t. But here you see that the variable are changed here. You are differentiating with respect to x, but it is in the form of t. Therefore, it is dt upon dx. dt upon dx. Here the value of dt upon dx means you have a value of dx upon dt. This is the value of dx upon dt. So the dt upon dx is 1 upon at cos t. d2y upon dx2 is equal to, this is sec square t into, taking out the value of dt upon dx from here, it is dx upon dt is equal to at cos t. Therefore dt upon dx is equal to 1 upon at cos t. This is 1 upon at cos t. Therefore the value of d2y upon dx2 is equal to sec cube t upon at. This is the value of d2y upon dx2 and it is equal to sec cube t upon at. This type of question is asked in the competitive examination, whether you have to told that find the value of d2y upon dx2 at pi by 3, at pi by 4, at pi by 6 or anything. So you have to be prepared for the board examination as well as for the competitive examination. Thank you, students.